Hey everyone, and welcome to Living in Diz. I didn't really do an intro to this video because I didn't really know what I was going to do with this yet, but if you've never seen belly flop contests, stick around and watch this. It's fun. I thought that we added some fun commentary to the video to make it even more exciting, but watch these big bodies flop into the water on the Royal Caribbean ship, the Allure of the Seas. It's another part of our travel series with Royal Caribbean. It's a lot of fun, so stick around and watch to the end. It's insane. Check it out.
He's done this before. He's happy to be here. All right, Tammy, it's time to broadcast this thing like we're professional belly flopper analysts. All right, he looks like he's a 5-time champion. He's happy to be here. And he's wearing the swim trunks, supporting the USA. Let's watch this belly flop. Oh, he let his arms down, Tammy. All right, so let's analyze that one. He had a good liftoff, I thought. The height was pretty good, and he was on his way, but he let his arms down at the end.
I feel like the arms are hitting before the belly, and the belly needs to hit first, so I'm waiting for good belly flop.
It certainly does. The tallies are coming up. Let's see what he scores. Bud's behind us.
Next up, we got Jackson from Indiana.
What was his score? Oh, wow. Wow.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
So that was about a 4-point something for the previous guy, Mr. America. What did you think of this one?
Better than the first two.
It was better than the first two. He attempted to keep his arms up, which is really good. So I think that gives him at least a 3. But his feet hit before his belly.
Yeah, I think we're still in for
Yeah, we need to be spread eagle, top and bottom, to really pull this off. Oh.
3.564.
All right, Tammy, that was a good effort, but the knees hit, so we can't give him more than a 4. Let's see what happens here.
5, 2, go to the other side, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. What finger are you giving me? 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. Total score up. 3.9261.
All right, he gets a 3.9261 on that one. Here's Jonathan from Florida.
All right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, splash!
fives all abound here. We have fives all abound at the pool stadium sports pool. It didn't take long for fives to come up, Tammy. What do you think? She goes with a five. Fives all around. It's the best so far. He really put his body into it. He kept spread. 4.98. I think that's fair. I think we can still get a little bit better. Looks like we might be at a little bit odds. I think it was really close to the last
But I
guy.
think the last guy was
They're
better.
forcing their arms and legs in just a little bit. They need to go with it, but I think his splash was a little bit more firm. So I'm gonna let's see what he gets.
I think it's all in the belly.
Just below 5. I would say last time, Tammy, both guys, the last two guys, had great form, but they forced a little too much at the end. We've got a lot of belly to enter that water, and it's going to be hard to get those arms and those hands in before that belly. So let's see. This should be easy peasy for a 5. That's it. There it is. There it is. That's your 5, everybody. He came up, he tucked the butt. It looked like he was going to dive, and then he just spread it wide open. Wide open. He never floundered from those arms and legs. That's the American Idol crowd right there. They're not giving 5s, they're not cheering. It's all because the guy 2 guys ago was just like, he was all show at the top. He finished well, but this guy finished perfectly. What do you think?
I still like the other guy better.
Tammy went for the all show. I'm going for the technical stuff here. Let's see what happens. No. I have to be biased. No, I can't be biased. I can't be biased here, but if I was, Tammy, I would have given him a 5. Big J, Tammy, what is the coincidence that he was born with the name Big J? And he's big. Yeah, he was legs first. Apparently he didn't get the memo.
He's getting moved.
Yes, apparently he didn't get the memo. That's a 1. That's a 1. But we thank him for his efforts. Thank you for your service, young man. All right, we're still tallying the numbers there. 2.5 is a little bit more than we expected. So there you go. Generous crowd today on day 3 of this Royal Caribbean cruise. Okay, we're giving out the awards. They have medals.
Now, in second place today, taking on the silver medal with the title of she from Kentucky. She over here. And now our gold medal winner, taking the gold on this beautiful pink red blue letter case. It's Jonathan.
All right, Tammy's guy won. If she was biased, but she can't be biased. Doesn't really take it. Oh, that's okay. Okay, he's going to justify this. he's going to shut me up here. Make this one better than the last. You're only as good as your last belly flop. And there it is. There it is, your 2024 champion for the 4-night Royal Caribbean cruise. There it is. I hope y'all enjoyed that.
That was nuts.
Well, there it is. There is the entire contest. We did miss the first belly flopper in the video. I don't know what happened to that, but I hope you had a lot of fun watching that. And we plan on going on many more Royal Caribbean cruises in the future. If there's another belly flop contest, we will record it and do the same thing if you let us know in the comments if that's something you'd like to see again. Hope you had a lot of fun. More to come on the Caribbean series, the Royal Caribbean series, and much, much more. Watch us in the parks 2 to 3 times a week, and the podcast on Wednesday nights, but that could change depending on when you're watching this video. I'm Corey from Living in Diz, and we'll see you in the parks or on a ship.